Hello everyone. So welcome. Today we're going to try to express sine theta in terms of the other trigonometric functions. So that means we're going to express sine theta in terms of cosine theta, tan theta, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. So the way we want to achieve this is that we're going to let t to be sine theta. So here, if we let t to be sine theta, so we're going to express all these in terms of t. Now, notice here that if t is sine theta, we can write sine theta to be equals to t over 1. Now, if we do this, notice what happens here. If we write sine theta to be t over 1, that means we can have a triangle whereby, because sine is the ratio of the opposite over the hypotenuse, so that means we can have a triangle where t represents the opposite side and then 1 is the hypotenuse. All that remains now is to find the value of this side. Let's call it x. Now, for this side here, we know that by Pythagoras theorem, the square of 1 is equals to the square of t plus the square of x. So x squared, that means x squared will be equals to 1 minus t squared. So that means that x here would be equals to the square root of 1 minus t squared. So we're going to just write here as the square root of 1 minus t squared. Here we don't really have to worry ourselves too much about whether x is positive or negative, because we are dealing with length here and we can assume the positive side here. So we have already completed our triangle. Next, what we do is that we're going to come over here. So for cosine theta, we know that cosine theta is equals to the ratio of what? The adjacent over the hypotenuse. So that would be equals to square root of 1 minus t squared. What about tan of theta? Tan of theta over here would be equals to tangent is equals to the ratio of the opposite over the hypotenuse. So tan theta will be equals to t over square root of 1 minus t squared. Now, what is, we have cotangent. Cotangent is 1 over tan. So cotangent theta is equals to square root of 1 minus t squared all divided by t. What about secant? Secant is 1 over cosine. So secant theta would be 1 over cosine, which is 1 over square root of 1 minus t squared. And what about cosecant? That is 1 over sine. So cosecant theta is equals to 1 over t. So if we let t to be sine theta, here we have demonstrated that we have shown that we can express sine theta in terms of all the remaining trig functions. So we can express sine theta as t over 1. Cosine theta is square root of 1 minus t squared and all the rest. So we are able to express sine theta in terms of the remaining trig functions, and this is extremely useful if you are performing integration. So thank you for watching and please have a nice day. Bye.